Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers in Islam, let me tell you how to know if your lady really love you. I'm not talking about girlfriend here. I'm talking about the lady, that sister, that Muslim lady that you want to marry. Let me tell you how to know if she really love you. Should I tell you? Should I tell you how to know if she really love you? Okay, this is how to know if she really love you. Someone say that if you want to know that a lady love you, is that to be calling her severally, be asking her, be telling her, I love you, I do that, I cherish you, and so much. Those sweet voice, those sweet talks. You people know how to talk it. So someone say that that is how to know that a lady love you, and that is how to increase your love in a lady that you want to marry. I didn't say that I don't agree with that, but just let me tell you how to know my own in my own research. How will you know if a lady, if that Muslim sister that you really want to marry, if you want to know if she really love you? Should I tell you? Do you really want to hear? Okay, let me finally tell you. Get married to her. Get married to her. If you want to know that she really love you, please get married to her. Those love that you, those all those talk that you people were talking, calling her and so on, that was fake love. Let me tell you, I'm telling you the truth, wallahi, I'm not joking. That is fake love. If you really want to know the real love, get married to that sister. When you get married to her, you will now really know that she really love you. But if you don't get married to her, she will collect your money, you'll be spending a lot for her, and you will not even know that maybe she love you or not. My brother, get married to her. Avoid doing zina. Get married to her. Assalamu alaikum.